Hello viewer, welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss how to create line layer and split it. So if you want to work in line feature, so it is very important. So please like, share and subscribe my video. Let's start. We open QGIS. After open we go to layer and we go to create layer and new temporary scratch layer, and we write here layer name line and geometry type line and OK. After it we draw line, we select it and go to toggle editing and highlight it line feature, we select it and draw line first point, second point, and we right click. Our line is draw, we draw another line first point, second point, third point, fourth point, and right click. Our line is created. We create third, first point, second point, third point, fourth and fifth. We write our line feature is created and we check how many feature is created. We go to open attribute and here is our detail 1, 2 and 3. 3 feature is created and we split it. For split we go to edit and go to edit geometry. After edit geometry we go to split feature and we click first point and second point and right click. Our feature split, we check it, highlighted, selected and highlighted, and we also check in table. We go to open attribute table and we check here 1, 2, 3 and 4. So our line is split. If you want to change symbology, so you go to line property, right click, you go to property, you right click. If you want to change symbology, you go to line feature and right click and go to property, and here is layer property. You select as per your requirement. We select it and OK. Our line property changes. Our line creation process and split complete successful. Please like, share and subscribe. If any query, please write comment. Thank you for watching video.